Hey guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this lovely looking donuts. Pretty easy, just with things in your kitchen, you're good to go. So if you're new to my channel, this is the first time of coming here, you're welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. To my old subscribers, thanks for tuning in. Let's start. Ingredients for this donuts: flour, milk, yeast, sugar, one large egg, salt, and margarine. You can also use butter. If you don't have margarine, feel free to use butter. Okay, I'm using warm milk. First thing to do, if you're not sure whether you're using active or dry yeast, go ahead and add a little warm milk to it. Dissolve the yeast first. But if you're sure it's an instant yeast you're using, go ahead and pour straight. It will also come out pretty. Add your salt to the flour, add the sugar, pour in the yeast, and you add in your egg, and you start adding in the milk little at a time. Take your time to mix very well. When it's looking so thick, you have to bring it down at your work surface. Add your butter, rub it into your dough, and you bring it out to your work surface so that you can be able to knead it very well. Clean your work surface and you start kneading. If it's sticking on your work surface or table, feel free to sprinkle some extra flour. When you're done kneading, put inside a clean bowl. Just use a little butter or margarine to rub in a neat bowl, and you place your dough. Cover with your kitchen towel, any plastic bag, or even pot cover. Allow to rest for 20 minutes. If you're not a baker, just relax, because today we'll be working with things around us and in our kitchen. So you need pieces of paper. Get at least up to 6 to 7 pieces. Either you rub a little butter or margarine on the top and sprinkle some flour, or you use only flour. I think using only flour is the best. So, and you set it aside. you need your water flask cover. If you don't have a water flask, look for something round in shape like this, and you and you wash it very well. You need knife, and you need a smaller container like this. This is my red velvet powder container I washed earlier. All I have to do is to take time and start cutting. You have to cut it very, very well. So after 20 minutes, we'll bring back the dough, and we'll need a little more right now. You need your pistol, little pistol. If you don't have pistol or a smooth pistol like this, please, you can use bottle. Wash bottle very well, empty bottle very well, and you can use it for this method. Sprinkle some flour and you roll out your dough, just little, because this dough needs to be very thick, so that when you start frying, at least you'll be getting the white line design. Take your time to knead your dough very well, and you go ahead and roll it out. Use your water flask cover, and you cut out a circle shape, and you use the small container that we cut earlier, and you bring out the center. You can see, look at that. Push it in, bring out the center. You see, our donut is here. Look at that, beautiful. So we'll do the same till we are done. When you're done cutting, go ahead and cover with your kitchen towel, plastic wraps, or your plastic bag, anything you can lay your hand. Allow it in a warm temperature till after 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, look at that. Set your oil on a medium heat. Add a little dough. If the dough pops up, you know your oil is ready. Please make sure your oil is very low to avoid your donut burning. So we'll start putting the donut one after the other. Please sprinkle flour on your paper very well for easy removal. Right now I'm struggling with the paper because the flour wasn't matched, but it will come out. I have to use my hand to push the dough back for it to come out. Look at that. Okay, look at what we have here. So pretty. If you're new to this channel, this is the first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alerts of my new video. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alert of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, I appreciate you again and again for always tuning in and checking out my newest video. Thanks a million, and don't forget to like this video. Feel free to comment and also feel free to ask questions. Finally, our donuts are ready. This is beautiful. Please, I would love you to try out this recipe and you reach out to me on my Instagram, Telegram at Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. Feel free to connect with us. Thanks a million for watching. Bye bye.